this is our campsite for this morning. What is up, guys? We are day 1 into our road trip around Taiwan. So we started yesterday night, rode here to Tainan from Liuqiu, and we found this random university by this lake and decided to camp here. Today we're gonna head further south to Xiao Liuqiu. We're gonna do some free diving there. You guys can follow along. Yeah, see you guys there. Finally at Xiao Liuqiu. Well, I have no idea what this place is, but there's a bit too much people here. But still, yeah, we're gonna warm ourselves up and do some free diving. Yeah.
So we did get to see some turtles, but because of all the people here, there was a bit of trash. The diving experience wasn't that great. But still, we had fun, fooled around, and after that, went to find ourselves a campsite.
When everyone else is charging $30 for a shower, we're getting it for free. Is that right, man? Is that right? Shower, 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 shower. Everywhere, man. This is our campsite for today. Liuqiu Elementary School. It's got free water, free bath, free chicks. No free chicks. Stop, man, stop. We got to take a bath under the stars tonight. We're just gonna camp here and tomorrow do more free diving. And hopefully find like actually a decent place. Yep. Good morning, guys. With this. We camped here yesterday. It was a really nice campsite, not even joking. We were just like taking a shower here with the pipes right under the stars. Man, it was pretty amazing. And yesterday we had like quite a big breeze as well, so it was really chill. Yeah. So yeah, if you want me to rate this, I'll definitely give it a 5-star on Google, man. 5-star campsite, definitely. So later today we're gonna go for another 1 or 2 diving sessions maybe. Yesterday's diving was pretty shit, not gonna lie, but it's a new day, so yeah, still looking forward to it. We are at our destination. There's supposed to be a shipwreck out here. We're gonna try to find that. And if you want to come here, this place is called Satan. And you just Google that and come down, walk over the sun, and you can kick out. Apparently that's how you do it. I don't know. Our flamingo. Yeah, that's gonna be pretty sick. We're pumping up our flamingo and there's a bunch of people looking at us. They're like, you guys are fucking idiots. Yo, look what we got! We got fucking oars, man! We're gonna row a flamingo out.
Like it's a proper boat. Yeah? We're gonna get seasick so bad. Oh fuck! The waves are kind of big, kind of rough, at least for a flamingo, so yeah. But anyways, let's do this. We have yet to find the shipwreck. The water today, oh, beautiful. So clear. Yeah, this is so much better than yesterday. Yesterday there was a bunch of people, scuba divers, kayaks. Now, this place, just us. And a bit of fishermen. Oh, this is so good. And the water is so clear. Ah, finally something decent. Let's go.
The absolutely worst night ever. It was a total nightmare. It was so hot in here that I had to wake up at like 1 o'clock, go sit at 7-Eleven for aircon. Sat there for like 2 hours, came back at 3, and then I could finally get some sleep. Anyways, I'm tired of this place, so we're leaving, heading to Taiwan. And we'll see what happens.